How to pause a playbook execution for a certain amount of time with Ansible? I'm going to show you in a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Berton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about Ansible module pause. This module is also supported for Windows targets. The full name is ansible.builtin.pause, which means that is part of a collection of modules built in with Ansible and shipped with it. The default behavior is to pause with a prompt. Pauses playbook execution for a set amount of time or until the prompt is acknowledged. All parameters are optional. The default behavior is to pause with a prompt. You could specify the amount of time using the parameters minutes or seconds. Starting in Ansible 2.2, if you specify 0 or negative for minutes or seconds, it will wait for 1 second. Previously, it would wait indefinitely. When minutes or second is specified, user input is not captured or echoed, regardless of echo settings. I will cover the user input in another video. Let's jump in a real-life playbook to show you how to pause the execution. Welcome to my editor. I would like to show you one simple playbook with a pause module. So let's start with one play and define a name, in my case pause module demo. Let me target hosts all and let me define one variable, wait underscore seconds, and assign a value of 10. On the task list we are going to have two tasks, one to pause and one simple message on screen. So let me assign the name pause for number of seconds. So let me use the value of variable wait seconds and the filter to int because it is integer value, and on second let me add the s just in case. I'm going to use ansible.builtin.pause module with one parameter that is seconds and is the value of wait seconds pipe the filter to int. So Ansible will make sure that this is integer value, and then let me display a message. So this task is named message, and I'm going to use ansible.builtin.debug module with message msg. Sometimes I got stuck on this syntax, and for example the end. Here we are. We have one playbook with one play that is going to execute on all our hosts and two actions, one to pause for 10 seconds and the second simple display message. Welcome to my console. Let me execute my playbook with ansible-playbook-e my inventory, in my case demo/inventory, and the name of the playbook. I'm expecting now to stop the execution for 10 seconds. Here we are, and there is also a message very interesting that if we hit Ctrl+C and then C, we can continue early. So let me show you how. Let me execute again the playbook with Ansible playbook like before. So this round I will hit Ctrl C as soon as this message appears, and then press C on the keyboard, and as you can see, the execution was faster. Another option is to abort completely the execution, pressing Ctrl C and then A to abort. Let me demonstrate how it will look like. So my playbook is executing, hitting the pause moment, pressing Ctrl C and immediately after A, and this is what it looked like, a fatal error with user requested abort message. Now you know how to pause a playbook execution for a certain amount of time with Ansible. Subscribe to channel not to miss the next episode of Ansible Pilot.